friends, it's Gabby back here in front of you, and today I'm chilling here and I'm gonna review the Bigen semi-permanent hair color. A few weeks ago I got sent hair dye by Bigen because I'm a part of their Bigen girl community now, so thank you so much, Bigen. They asked me to review the hair dyes and I chose two colors, which is medium brown and mahogany. I used medium brown last night, and yeah, if you didn't know, Bigen is a Japanese brand for hair dye. They do not use any harsh chemicals. Most of their products are safe for almost all hair types, I think. It doesn't have ammonia or peroxide, so that's good. So yeah, once again, thank you so much, Bigen, for sending these products. And yeah, so let's get started with this video. So the first thing I noticed when I received this hair dye is that it's like prepared already, like you don't have to shake anything. I think other dyes are also like this, but like this is the first time I've encountered one, because like I used to use Revlon and L'Oreal and you usually had to like make it on your own to like mix it and stuff. So yeah, I found this cool. Also, I haven't used semi-permanent hair color or hair dye ever, which is why I'm like kind of like confused and new to it. So yeah, prior to dyeing my hair, it was a reddish brown color, I think. Attached here is my before photo, which was like a few days ago, and then an after photo, which I took a photo today because I did it late last night. So yeah, the next thing I noticed was when I opened it, it smelled really good, like fragrant. It didn't smell like chemicals or anything, unlike other hair dyes out there, like in salons, as well as the ones that you could do at home, like this one. So this one really surprised me. I wasn't really expecting it to smell like that. I was taken aback by the smell, so I was just like, whoa, this smells really good, and it doesn't smell like anything bad. When I was putting it on my hair, or like my sister was putting it on my hair, it felt really moisturizing. It didn't really feel like it was burning, because like other dyes do that where it's like causing your head to itch or like it hurts. So yeah, that surprised me because like that did not happen to me. So it seems that it's a gentle formula compared to other companies. So right now I took a shower just like before filming this video, like a few hours before filming this video, and the color hasn't disappeared yet, so that's good. But I do not know how long it would last, because based on here it said that it would stay for like 8 to 10 washes, or like up to 3 weeks. But as a person who takes a shower every single day, other times twice a day, I don't know how long it would last on me. So yeah, so that's the only issue with like semi-permanent hair dyes in general. Like it just disappears eventually. But it's good for those people who are like scared of making commitments with hair colors. As of like what I saw, because on the packaging it shows you what color it would turn out as, like this. So I thought it would look like that. It didn't look as brown as it was supposed to look like. Like here on my hair, it doesn't look like the one on the photo. That disappointed me a bit. That's pretty much the only problem that I noticed while dyeing my hair. I left it on my hair for 30 minutes, which was pretty like average for normal hair dyes. So yeah, and then after that I washed it off and I got this, and yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it. It looks very natural to me, but I still want to dye my hair to a lighter shade next time. So I'm definitely looking into lighter hair colors or like hair lighteners. But that is pretty much all of my concerns with the Bigen hair dyes. Overall, I would rate it a 9 out of 10 because of the color payoff of the hair. I don't know if it's because of my hair, because like it's dyed into a different color, or if it's actually like that. Before I end this video, I want to thank Bigen once again for sending out these products to me. It really means the world to me. I will definitely try them again in the future. And yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if you like the hair color, let me know, because like I really like it. Yeah, I really am thankful for this opportunity, so thank you, Bigen. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I make fashion, lifestyle, beauty, and travel videos. I'ma go head out, and may your day be as bright as the sun. Bye!
Life falling